How can Honorlock be cheated in 2025? Institutions of higher education utilize Honorlock for conduction of online proctored exam. It integrates with Canvas to make it simple for teachers to set up online assignments. It doesn't require students to download anything. They can use it directly in their web browser. I am Robert, online tutor and exam helper. Do you find it difficult to cheat on Honorlock? I know a guaranteed way to bypass the Honorlock browser without being caught. Don't worry. Before we go into the specifics, let me explain a few unproven solutions. Follow this tutorial and you'll be able to hack at Honorlock in no time. With meticulous adjustment of the webcam. During the exam, everything is being seen by a webcam, but you can adjust it so that it doesn't focus on anything below your face and instead just on your face. This makes it easier to use a cheat sheet or consult notes without getting caught. Using virtual machine is yet another method to bypass Honorlock's security protocols. However, you can still use other devices like earphones or ask someone else in the room for answers. In 2025, I discovered a simple, faultless way to get around Honorlock because I know that outdated methods are either ineffective or giving students headaches. This genius technique involves installing a proprietary software on the student's laptop that allows me to bypass the Honorlock and connect remotely. Once everything is set up, it seems like students will be sitting in front of laptops, but in reality, I will be using my undetectable program to remotely select the correct answers for them. This is the safest and most secure method to cheat or circumventing the Honorlock without taking any risks on your own. Take advantage of this chance and complete the exam help request form in the description to receive assistance with your proctored exam and earn the grade of your choosing, A or B. The best part about my services is that I don't demand payment up front. Instead, you pay only after passing your test. I hope you find these tips useful.